Scaminox is a company based in the Veneto region of Italy, founded by the S.r.l family with over 30 years of experience in designing and manufacturing professional stainless steel solutions for the HoReCa, food industry and healthcare sectors. Driven by a constant focus on quality and innovation, Scaminox produces furnishings and equipment engineered to ensure reliability, long-lasting performance and high standards, even in the most demanding environments. The company supports clients throughout the entire process, from design to production, delivering tailored solutions fully aligned with specific operational requirements. The product range includes complete systems for professional kitchens, from work tables and sinks to extraction hoods, all crafted exclusively from certified high-quality stainless steel. Exceptional construction precision and production efficiency are guaranteed through the use of advanced technologies and state-of-the-art machinery, including tube laser cutting machines and modern panel benders. Thanks to a large, consistently stocked warehouse and an efficient logistics organization, Scaminox ensures fast and reliable delivery times, both domestically and internationally. Scaminox, over 30 years of custom-made stainless steel solutions for your business and now even for your own house.